gasoline somewhere?
Yes. Yes, there is. No, this not chemtrails. This contrail.
Yes.
Contrail. Because the vanish in less than 60 seconds.
Yeah.
On minute disappear.
Yeah, the other ones are, yeah, you're right.
This no problem.
Contrail.
Contrail. Good one. Another day, pass this three times stay in the sky the line more than 1 hour.
Yeah.
Then mix the three, make a cloud.
That's it.
That's it.
That's what.
This is chemtrail.
This is chemtrails. This reflects light.
Yes, but this one passed now is not this. It's contrail. Only kerosene pollution, little bit kerosene pollution.